Ruger P85 with the safety modification, the Mk2 Recall installed. Let's do a safety check. Pistol is empty. Safety is on. Safety is off. So now when I cock the hammer and drop the safety, the hammer doesn't go forward. Safety doesn't go, or the hammer doesn't go forward. Sometimes when I rack the slide, I can get the hammer to go forward with the safety engaged. I didn't do it that time. Didn't do it that time. I didn't do it that time. There, it went forward. So it's intermittent when it wants to work. There, and it stayed back when it should have gone forward. There, and it went forward again. I'm not exactly sure why it's doing that. But it definitely is not dropping when you engage the safety. Have a look at it again, guys. Please get it repaired properly. Thank you.